What's up, family? It's Vernon F. Miller, and welcome back to Secure Deals Academy. In this video, I'm going to be giving you my exact up-to-date process on finding wholesale deals in 2025. It feels like you're struggling finding motivated sellers, or you feel like you're wasting time and money, then this video right here is the roadmap for you. Let's get into it. Know your market. Before you get started hunting for deals, you need to know your market. In 2025, it's all about low inventory and high pocket demands. Use free tools like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com to spot where cash buyers are active. Bonus tip: use PropStream or BatchLeads to filter for absentee owners, pre-foreclosures, and high equity properties. Build your criteria. Every good wholesaler needs a sniper scope. You can't hit what you can't see. My criteria in 2025: 2 to 3 bed single family homes built before 2005, needs light to minimum rehab, 50,000 to 150,000 ARV gap between purchase and resale, zip codes with high rental demand. Lead sources that work in 2025. Now there's a lot of noise, but here's what's working right now. Driving for dollars, still gold, ladies and gentlemen. Don't reinvent the wheel. Cold calling, high equity lists. Facebook Marketplace, distress FSBOs. Text campaigns using platforms like Launch Control. Reverse driving for dollars. Sticky notes and doorstops. Skip tracing and contacting sellers. Once you have a list, now it's time to contact. I use REIRail and batch skip tracing to get accurate numbers. I always start with a call and follow with a text. Script matters, but so does energy and tone. Be real, be respectful, and be consistent. Tracking and follow-ups. Believe it or not, a lot of deals come from follow-ups. I use simple CRMs like Pody or REsimpli to track all of my leads. I usually touch all my leads every 7 to 10 days. Either they're going to sell to me or they're going to block me. I don't let anything slip. Final tip for the 2025 hustlers. Speed plus data equals deals in 2025. Use AI tools to pull comps. Use ChatGPT to write your cold call texts. And don't overcomplicate it. Action wins. If this video helped you, drop a comment with your market and tell me how you're finding deals. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and turn on that bell. We're just getting started, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vernon F. Miller, and this is Secure Deals Academy. And you got next.